Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a passcode to your Spendee Budget Planner application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spendee application on your device. And once the application is opened up, make sure that you are logged in using your email address and your password or your social accounts. After logging in, you will end up within the timeline page, from which you can directly start adding your transactions. Now, if you would like to protect the application with a passcode, then in order to set this up, just click on the More option at the bottom right corner. From here, scroll a little bit down and then click on Advanced. Now within the Advanced settings, just click on the toggle to turn on Passcode. And now this will allow you to create your desired passcode right away. Just enter your desired PIN and you will then be asked to enter it once again for confirmation. Once you enter your code for the second time, the passcode will now be enabled. And every time you leave the application and then come back again, you will now be asked to enter your passcode before you are allowed access to the application. If at any time you wish to change or remove the passcode, you can go back into the advanced option and then simply turn off the toggle, at which point you will be asked to enter your code once again. After entering the correct passcode, it will now be turned off immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to set up a passcode within the Spendee Budget Planner app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.